Being a South Texas College of Law Houston graduate is so meaningful to me. It was everything to my legal career. I wanted to go to a law school that had a strong advocacy program, and I wanted to go to the law school that would best prepare me for that. South Texas was hands down the choice for me.
I've always wanted to be in the criminal justice system. Took the LSAT, I got a decent score. South Texas accepted me, and I said, let's give it a shot. The registrar, they helped me out, they put me on a plan, they helped me work around my schedule. And that's when I really knew, like, this school is here to help you graduate. They're gonna do what you necessarily need for you to be successful.
I was able to reach out and come to the school, look at the facilities. Since it's right here in downtown, I work 10 blocks away. So I walked over here middle of the day during a lunch break. It was just always open. The people you talk to about financial aid, you talk to about the programs, they were always just willing to talk with you and make sure everything was working well. And just the facility was close to work, close to home. It was very, very simple.
When I got here, it was super comfortable. I love how practical South Texas is, from the voir dire class to where you can actually do a voir dire before you get in front of a real judge. I can put my hands on this. I can pick a jury. I can stand in front of a judge and do a motion. That's what made me realize South Texas is really the place for me.
The professors here are just so much more approachable. There's just a bigger sense of community here. I like how easy it is to schedule your classes around your work schedule and my daughter's schedule, because it's just us two.
South Texas has so many clinics, so many trial advocacy programs. We pride ourselves in not only producing, attorneys, but attorneys that are ready to practice.
I have the knowledge, the ability to go into a courtroom and fight for someone, whether it's for their kid or for their life savings or because they've been injured.
I can identify those South Texas College of Law advocates that are in my courtroom. They are the best prepared, they are the most well-spoken, they know the law, and they know how to argue to the court.
We actually get to be in the courtroom, we get to draft motions, we get to draft all types of things that we will do as an attorney rather than reading a book and understanding the case.
Receiving financial assistance to help me attend law school at South Texas made all the difference for me. I remember the day that not only I got my letter of admission into South Texas, it was such a happy day, but to be able to tell my father, not only was I admitted, but I was able to get some financial assistance to help.
Getting a scholarship shows, apart from the validation, apart from the monetary gift, it shows that somebody's there with you.
I'm definitely interested in giving back once I graduate because, scholarships have helped me so much, and I can see, the kind of impact it has on people like us and, everyone else in the school.
Just a small financial contribution is that much more of a burden that's been lifted off of our shoulders. We can come out of here, we can finish school the way we need to finish school, but we don't have the extra burden of worrying about finances. So it's definitely a thank you from both the family and the individual.
The generosity with the school and even some private donors, those opportunities attract the brightest and the best from the colleges, the brightest and the best with our future lawyers, and give those students greater opportunity and really help attract them to our law school.
If I make a difference in one person's life, one client's life that felt like they had nobody on their side, and I'm that person that is fighting for them, that'll be enough for me.